Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide chats on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to Archive option and press on the chat you wanna unhide for a longer time. Select the Unarchive option. And that is how you can unhide chats on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.